Pump your feet, Logan. Keep going so you can, or you'll slow down.
I'm slowing down.
Keep pumping your feet.
I'm trying to. I'm going there now.
Now jump off.
Alright.
You're supposed to jump and get all the way up here. See who can jump the highest.
Hey, I know how to do this one. Here. How you
Say
doing?
hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Aunt Tina.
Hi, Aunt Tina.
And Brother Justin.
Brother Justin.
Huh.
Woo!
You know how to do that one?
No.
All right, hold on.
No! No!
Huh? Make you dizzy?